everyone, it's April. I'm back. I know it's been a little bit, but today I wanted to just show you something real quick and easy. And I'm making what my family has always called cherry pizza. Some people may call it dump cake, cherry dump cake. But what you do is take 1 stick of butter and you melt it and you pour it in your cake pan. Then you're going to take a can of cherry pie filling, and honestly it can be any kind of pie filling, but take a can of cherry pie filling and dump it into that butter. This pan is a little bit bigger, so if you could probably get by with actually 2 cans if you wanted it more cherry-like or whatever. But take your cherry pie filling, dump it in the butter, spread your cherries out. Then after that, then you are going to take a box of white cake mix, just regular old cake mix, and you're going to sprinkle it over top of your cherry pie filling and the butter that's underneath. You're just going to pour it on there dry and just kind of smooth it out with your hand. Make sure that you just sort of smooth it over your cherries. And after that, your next step will just be to take another stick of butter and melt it. And then you're just going to sort of randomly pour that butter over top of your dry cake mix, which is on top of the cherries. But yeah, I know it's a lot of butter, but man, oh man, is it worth it. And that's pretty much it. After that, you are going to, let me back up just a second. You should have preheated your oven to 350 degrees. I always forget to tell you guys that. But anyway, 350 degrees. Once your oven is preheated and you've got this already, go ahead and stick it in your oven, and you're just going to bake it for 30 minutes. That's it. And then it will come out sort of brown. You want it just a touch lighter than golden brown, I would say, because, or at least my preference, I like it just a little bit lighter in color, a little bit more, I guess, gooey, the cake. If you're not careful, some of that dry bits that doesn't have the butter on it, some of that dry bits, it may get just a little bit too brown, and that's not good when it gets too brown. About the color that it is here is okay, but you don't want it too brown because then it almost tastes kind of burnt. Just see me here, I'm putting it in a little bowl, and I didn't let it cool completely. It's still actually pretty hot, but it's good. Also, this would be good to dump it in there and then put you a big old scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of it and let it melt. That would be really good too. Well, I guess this was just a quick and easy one. I've been out. We actually had revival all week last week, and then I had a really bad night last night, but I didn't want to not put out anything because I feel like I haven't in a while. And so I went ahead and I seen my can of cherry pie filling, and I thought, this is something really quick and easy to do, and it would also be something if you all were ever in a pinch and needed something quick and easy. So that is it for this video, folks. I hope you all have a good rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give me a thumbs up with this video if you would. I would so much appreciate it. It helps to push my video out so other people can kind of see it. So anyway, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.